What if I told you the universe might be older than the Big Bang? That stars are burning right now that formed before the universe was born? It sounds like science fiction, right? But it's very real. In the far corners of space, astronomers have found stars and galaxies that break every rule of cosmology. They're too old, too big, too evolved to exist in the infant universe. Their mere existence suggests something terrifying and exhilarating. We might be completely wrong about the beginning of everything. Now we dive into the mystery of the stars that shouldn't exist and what they reveal about the true nature of time, the universe, and reality itself. The Methuselah star, the impossible survivor. In 2015, astronomers peered through the Hubble Space Telescope and found something extraordinary. A star called HD 140283, now nicknamed the Methuselah star. Its age? Estimated at 14.5 billion years. But here's the problem. The universe itself is only 13.8 billion years old. This star should not exist. How did they measure its age? By studying its composition, brightness, and distance. It lacked heavy elements, indicating it formed shortly after the first atoms existed. Yet even with error margins, the numbers didn't add up. How can something be older than everything? Scientists recalculated, revised models, and pushed measurement techniques to their limits. The most optimistic revision brought the age down to 13.2 billion years. But even then, it was uncomfortably close to the very dawn of time. The Methuselah star is a riddle in plain sight, shining defiantly in our own galaxy. Then came the James Webb Space Telescope. In its first observations, it discovered galaxies so old and so massive that they shattered our expectations. Some of these galaxies formed when the universe was less than 300 million years old. That might sound like a long time, but cosmologically, it's the blink of an eye. Yet these galaxies were already packed with stars, dust, and structure things that shouldn't exist that early. One in particular, Sears 93316, appears to exist just 235 million years after the Big Bang. But it looks mature, as if it had billions of years to evolve. If these observations hold, then something is very wrong with our current models of how galaxies form. Gravity, dark matter, and star formation all seem to have worked too fast. It's like finding a fully grown human baby just minutes after birth. What could explain all these anomalies? One possibility is shocking. Maybe the Big Bang theory itself is flawed. The Big Bang theory suggests everything started from a singularity, an infinitely dense point about 13.8 billion years ago. From there, space, time, matter, and energy expanded. But what if the universe didn't have a beginning at all? Some alternative theories propose a cyclic universe, one that expands, contracts, and bounces back over and over. Others suggest a steady-state model where new matter constantly appears. Even quantum gravity theories like loop quantum cosmology imply a bounce before the bang. If any of these are true, then stars and galaxies could have survived from a previous cycle. The Methuselah star might be a relic of a universe that came before ours. Time is one of the most mysterious forces in physics. Einstein showed us that it's not absolute. It can slow down, speed up, even stop depending on your speed and gravity. Some physicists go further. They say time as we know it may be a construct, an illusion that emerges from entropy and observation. What if time isn't a straight line from past to future? What if, on a cosmic scale, time is a loop, or worse, a frozen dimension like space? Then those impossible stars? They may not be from the past at all. They could be from a different region of the timeline entirely. The cosmic microwave background, or CMB, is the afterglow of the Big Bang. It's our oldest light, a snapshot of the universe just 380,000 years after its birth. But it's not perfect. There are strange cold spots, unexplained alignments, even large-scale patterns that shouldn't exist. One theory? These are scars from collisions with other universes. If we live in a multiverse, then our bubble universe might have bumped into others. The cold spot in the CMB could be a portal, or evidence of a reality beyond our own. Most of the universe is invisible. About 70% of it is dark energy, a mysterious force that pushes the cosmos to expand faster and faster. What is it? We don't know. But some theories suggest it could be the energy of the vacuum. Others say it might be connected to extra dimensions. Could dark energy be hiding traces of an older universe? Or fueling the appearance of stars and galaxies before they should have formed? In the strangest models, dark energy leads to the idea of phantom energy, which can resurrect parts of previous universes in ours. If stars older than the universe exist, what else could they harbor? Could intelligent civilizations have formed in earlier cosmic epochs? Some theorists believe these stars might be the best places to search for Dyson spheres. massive structures built to harvest a star's energy. Would such megastructures survive cosmic collapse? Could they be relics of ancient, godlike civilizations that survived universe cycles? SETI researchers are now scanning old stars for unnatural heat signatures in case the answer is hiding in plain sight. Modern physics has two pillars: relativity and quantum mechanics. Both work beautifully, but not together. Relativity describes the cosmos. Quantum mechanics describes atoms. But when you try to apply both to a black hole or the Big Bang, the math breaks. This contradiction means something is missing. And the stars that defy time may be cracks in our theoretical foundations, pointing toward a deeper truth. One of the most mind-bending ideas in modern science is the multiverse. An endless sea of universes, each with its own rules, particles, and dimensions. What if the Methuselah star isn't from our universe? What if it leaked in from a parallel one? Quantum fluctuations, brain collisions, or wormholes could connect these universes. And every now and then, something might slip through. The stars that shouldn't exist aren't just scientific curiosities. They're cosmic whispers, telling us we might be wrong about everything. Time, matter, space, even reality itself. We stand at the edge of understanding, and beyond it, a terrifying and thrilling unknown. So what do you think? Are these stars evidence of a deeper truth, or just gaps in our perception? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to keep exploring the impossible, subscribe and join us every week as we uncover the strangest, most fascinating stories in the universe. Because sometimes the truth isn't just out there, it's older than everything. For more mind-blowing cosmic mysteries, hit subscribe and join us here at Brains and Bananas. See you next time.